Hey everybody, I'm GiGi of GiGi Eats Celebrities, and today I plan on talking about this right here.
Please put down my second meal of the day. Ladies and gentlemen, hi, I'm Landon of Landon Likes Celebrities. Today we have a very special episode. Why? Because I decided to try the ketogenic diet, and then I quit after one day. I decided what's more important than keto for me is bulking up. Now what do? I am a television actor and I direct golf commercials. Let's roll some clips.
Take a Snickers bar. Jalapeno.
You can't catch a hawk!
Let's roll some more clips. Show them some more, John Biff.
You don't want to do this, Mitch?
The other guy floated off west of here.
Now I'm pissed.
Boy, that was a hit. Show them another thing that I did. No, I don't have one. I'm talking to you on a banana.
Update iTunes. Calm down.
Okay, anyway, enough vamp, Landon.
Show them one more thing.
No.
Roll it.
He had blood clots on his retinas when he was 4.
Is he blind?
Not totally, he sees shapes.
So that's some stuff that I do. It's a weird thing, but in Hollywood these days, if you're a white actor who has never been a series regular in a show, it's really hard to get roles unless you have some kind of special thing about you. Now, the fact that I'm a jet pilot isn't really all that special in Hollywood. What might be is if I have gigantic guns. So, I decided to try The Rock's diet. And that's what I've been doing. This is my first week of working out and eating like The Rock. A typical breakfast will be a dozen eggs, a whole bunch of meat. I'll go to the gym. As soon as I come back, I'll have a protein shake. What I did was I made a giant crock pot of beef stew. So I'll have a giant bowl of beef stew. About 2 hours later, I'll have a giant bowl of fish and vegetable stew. A couple hours later, I'll have a couple of protein bars. A couple hours later, I'll have some type of salmon or steak or something like that. A couple hours later, I'll have more salmon and more steak or more chicken. And then right before I go to bed, I'll have another giant bowl of stew.
I want to mention that The Rock eats about 5,000 calories a day. And on his cheat day, which happens to be today, the day we are filming this video, hence why Landon is shoving pizza in his face, he eats about 10,000 calories today. Now, earlier today, Landon also had a milkshake, 3 different rolls of sushi. He ate an entire pint of ice cream when we were driving on the way to our friend's house. And what else have you had today?
An entire pizza.
Well, he will be eating this entire pizza, although you gotta eat the crust too to make it count. Anyways, that being said, Landon also wants to bulk up in a healthy fashion. So during the week, he will be eating healthier and he will be hitting the gym how many times a week?
This week I did 5 times, but I read like 2 hours worth of workout forums. Apparently 5 days a week is really bad because it doesn't give your body enough time to rest for protein synthesis. So I'm gonna do 4 days a week, Monday, Tuesday, Thursday and Friday, and then on Saturday, what I've never done in the past is I've never had a real cheat day. What I've always had is a cheat meal and considered that my cheat day, but The Rock has a cheat day.
It's intense.
Let's show him a picture of a typical Rock cheat meal.
Like, look at that, all that sushi and those cookies.
And donuts.
Oh, bye!
Yeah, donuts and stuff.
Yeah, it looks really good. Ooh, do you even enjoy this? You're just like shoving it in your face like you don't, I'm not even gonna, no, don't answer that question because your mouth is so full. I wonder if you'll like it. You wanna bulk up like The Rock? So, we're gonna document Landon for the next month or so and we'll see where he is. We'll do another YouTube video in about a month to see how he feels, see what his gains are like and that sort of thing because we did take before photos, so.
I started at 180 pounds.
Yes. Oh, how tall are you?
6'5".
Okay.
I'm really dedicating myself to this program because I really want The Rock to look like me. And if he keeps dedicating himself, one day he'll be able to.
The Rock, you got nothing on Landon here.
So I'll see you guys in a month and I'll let you know how I did. I'm eating about 4,000 or 5,000 calories a day. I'm going to start working out 4 days a week. And we'll see you guys in a month and we'll see how The Rock did.
Yeah, and follow me on Instagram at GiGi Eats because I will have updates via pictures, Insta stories, and that sort of thing all over there as well. And then on my blog, GiGi Eats Celebrities, I'll also have pictures, before and after shots, more information because, as Landon said, he only did the keto diet for one day, meaning the keto diet is not necessarily for everybody. Anyways, we'll see you guys in a month. Bye.
See ya. Let's roll one more clip.
This is Finn from Iceland.
Hello.
He's uncircumcised.
Give her a shake.